Nice to meet you, Andres. Lock it. You lost the key?
Yeah.
All right. The remote that you lost is like lock, and trump too, or just?
Yeah, it was lock, and no, it wasn't with a trunk.
Like this.
Yeah, like that.
Just lock,
unlock, and
panic.
sound. Yep. Like
All right. Perfect. So you give me like 30 minutes. Okay, we're gonna use this lychee for opening and make the key. 7. All right, got it, and we open it. Key successful. So now we're gonna try to start the car. Perfect. All good. And the remote too. Lock, unlock. That's it. All right.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You too.